That's gonna be us.
I don't know.
Like today.
Go look at Olive Garden. I don't know. What?
That shit's sleeping.
Man, just come on. No, I'm not gonna do that.
Court!
Joe! Fuck! What the fuck are we doing?
Holy shit. I'm holding onto this camera for dear fucking life. Oh my god!
Oh my fucking god!
Whoa! I fucking love this ride! This is so cool! Holy fucking shit! Awesome. It's Sarah! Hello!
Nick! Jackie!
This is so cool. We're gonna go the other way now. We're gonna go forward. Yes, we are. No, they do us the other way.
I'm so fucking excited.
1,000 feet up in the air right now.
Fucking behind you.
Oh, imagine we did this in the morning. Oh my god, nasty. Court.
Holy shit balls! That was fucking crazy. That was fucking unbelievable. I'm fucking losing my mind right now.
Ready,
oh my god,
ready?
Oh my god, oh my god. Fuck yeah, fuck yeah. Beach right now.
You can't even fucking see the beach. I hope I'm getting a good shot. No, we did. We go around one more time.
Are you sure?
I'm pretty sure.
I'll be really mad if you just take it down.
Oh, there's the haunted house. There it is.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't fucking breathe.
fucking
If you're
awesome.
screaming